Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic the sphere. Question is given, find the equation of the sphere which passes through the points 1 comma minus 3 comma 4, and the second point is 1 comma minus 5 comma 2, and the third point is given by 1 comma minus 3 comma 0, and the center lies on the plane. Plane is given by x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Let's solve the problem. General equation of a sphere is this is x square plus of y square plus of z square plus of 2ux plus of 2vy plus of 2wz plus of d is equal to 0. Let this equation 1. And the center of the sphere 1 is given by center of the sphere 1 is minus u comma minus v comma minus of w, and the plane, and the given plane is x plus y plus z is equal to 0. And according to the question said, the plane lies on the center lies on the plane. Center of the sphere is minus u comma minus v comma w, and the center lies on the plane. So we have to satisfy the given question of plane. So we have to put the value of minus of u, minus of v, minus of w in the plane. We get minus of u, minus of v, and minus of w is equal to 0. Taking minus common, we get u plus of v plus of w is equal to 0, and from here we get u plus v plus w is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Further, the points 1 comma minus 3 comma the points 1 comma minus 3 comma 4 passes through equation 1. We have to put in, this is x, this is y, this is z. And putting here in place of x we get 1, plus here in place of y here is minus of 3 on square, we get 9, and z square here, z is 4, we get 4 4 is 16, plus of 2ux, here x is 1, we get 2u, plus of 2vy, here y is minus of 3, we get minus of 6v, and here is 2wz, z is 4, so we get plus of 8w, and plus of d is equal to 0. And from here we have to solve, we get 2u minus of 6v plus of 8w plus of d is equal to, here 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 16 is 26, 26 is taken into right hand side, we get minus of 26. This is equation 3rd. Further, point 2 passes through the sphere 1. Point 2, points 1 comma of minus 5 comma 2 passes through equation 1. We have to put in place of x is 1, y is minus of 5, and z is 2. Putting in equation 1 of the sphere, we get 1 plus of y square, y is minus of 5 on squaring, we get 25. Z is 2 on squaring, we get 4. 2ux, here x is 1, we get 2u, and 2vy, here y is 5, we get minus of 10v, and 2wz, here z is 2, we get plus of 4w, plus of d is equal to 0. And from here we have to write in 2u minus of 10v plus of 4w plus of d is equal to, here 25 plus 4 is 29, plus 1 is 30, taken into right hand side, this is minus of 30. This is equation 4. And further, the last points 1 comma minus 3 comma 0 passes through equation 1. We get here in place of x is 1, y is minus of 3 and z is 0. Putting in the equation of a sphere, we get 1 plus of, in place of y, minus of 3 on square root, we get 9 and z is 0 and plus of 2ux, ux is 1 plus 2vy, here minus of 6v and 2wz, here z is 0 and plus of d is equal to 0. And from here we have to writing here, this is 2u minus of 6v plus of d is equal to 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 is taken to right hand side, this is minus of 10. This is equation 5. And we have to solving equation second, third, fourth and 5 to get the value of u, v, w and d. So we have to solve, first we have to solving equation third and fourth. Solving equation third and fourth. Equation third is given by 2u minus of 6v plus of 8w plus of d is equal to minus of 26, and equation fourth is given by 2u minus of 10v and plus of 4w plus of d is equal to minus of 30. We have to solving, first we have to change the sign here. We get, on changing sign, this is minus, this is plus, minus, minus, this is plus. Here d to d is cancelled out, plus minus, and plus minus 2u and minus of 2u is also cancelled out. Then the remaining is here minus of 6v plus of 10. We will get plus of 4v and 8w minus of 4w, we get plus of 4w is equal to here plus of 30 minus 26, we get plus of 4, and 4 is taken to common. 4 is taking common from left hand side and 4 to 4 is cancelled out. We get v plus w is equal to 4. And further we have to put in v plus w, putting the value of v plus w in equation second. Here we have to put in the value of v plus w, we get the value of u. This is u plus, in place of v plus w, here we have to calculate it 4 plus of 4 is equal to 0. One second, sorry, this is 1, not 4. 4 is taken common and 4 to 4 is cancelled out, that is v plus 1 is 4. Here is u plus 1 is 0, we get u is equal to minus of 1. Further we have to solving equation, once again, equation, we have to solve the equation 2u minus of 6v. Solving equation third and fifth. Solving equation once again. Solving equation. Here is third and equation fifth. Equation third is given by 2u minus of 6v plus of 8w plus of d is equal to 20 minus of 26, and equation 5 is given by 2u minus of 6v and plus of d is equal to minus of 10. First we have to changing the sign here. This is minus, this is plus, and this is minus, this is plus. Here d2 plus d2 minus d is cancelled out, and once again plus d2 minus d is cancelled out, and plus 2u2 minus 2 is also cancelled out, and plus 6v minus 6v2 plus 6v is also cancelled out. Then remaining is here 8w 8w is equal to, here we have to 26 minus of 10, we get minus of 16, and w is equal to 2, we get the value of w. And further we have to put in the value of u plus w in equation 2, putting the value once again, putting the value of u and w in equation 2, putting here u is equal to minus of 1 and w is here plus of v, and w is equal to 2. Once again this is minus of 2, 8 to the 16, here minus, this is v is w is equal to minus of 2 is equal to 0, and from here we get minus of 4 and minus of 1, this is minus of 3, this is v is equal to 3. We get the value of v also, and further we have to putting the value of uv and w in equation third, putting the value here in equation third, we get 2 u is equal to, here we have to calculate a minus of 1 and minus of 6, v is equal to once again, v is equal to 3 plus of 8, and 8w is equal to minus of 2, so we have to write here minus of 2 plus of d is equal to minus of 26. From here we have to calculate the value of d, and solving here minus of 2, minus of 18 and minus of 16 plus of d is equal to minus of 26, and we get here minus of 18 and minus of 2, this is minus of 20 minus of 16, this is minus of 36, this is minus of 36 plus of d is equal to minus of 26, and d is equal to minus of 36 is taken to right hand side, this is minus of 26 plus of 36, we get d is equal to 10, and putting the value of u, v, w and d in equation 1, we get the required equation of a sphere. Putting the value of u, v, w and d in equation 1, we get the required equation of a sphere. Here this is x square plus of y square plus of z square plus of 2ux. Here u we have to calculate it, here u is equal to minus of 1. Here roughly we have to this is u is equal to minus of 1, we have to calculate it. Putting here u is equal to minus of 1, we get minus of 2x, and v is equal to 3, we get plus of 6y, and z is equal to, w is equal to once again, w is equal to minus of 2, we get minus of 4z, and d is equal to, we have to calculate, d is equal to 10, plus of 10 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a sphere which passes through the points and center lies on the given plane. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.